Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see your orders in what we call designer view. Normally, when you scroll down the order form, it scrolls on both the right and left side at the same time. The hard part is, let's say you wanted to see the client approval section, but then you have to scroll all the way up here to see information on this right side, and then you have to scroll back down and you have to go back and forth, back and forth. Well, an easy solution to that is clicking designer view. This makes it so both sections scroll individually without scrolling on the other side, as you can see in this video. And if you don't believe it, try it out yourself. We had some calls with people and they were so excited to find out that this was a feature. And there were many people that were like, why isn't it like this all the time? Why isn't this the default? Well, it can be turned into the default if you'd like. So I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. If we click return to full view and we go to the admin section, I'm not gonna save this order, go to my team, and you can see everyone in the team. I'm gonna go over to my account right here and just click edit. Now under here, you can see this little checkbox at the bottom that says use designer view of master orders by default. If you wanna just only see in designer view from here on out, you click that little button, click save team member, and now it'll be the default for you. Not anyone else, it'll just be for you, and anyone else that you choose to edit it for. And now let's start a new order. And now, as you can tell, we are in designer view by default. And let's say you want to go back to full view, you can still do that by clicking that and it will take you out. But by default, it will always open up in designer view once you click that check mark. Hope this helps.